Hey guys, so today I'm filming like 12 videos, but I just wanted to show you my kit. As some of you may know, back in the day I freelanced sometimes. I was also a senior artist at Sephora, so I did tons of makeovers all the time, like hundreds and hundreds. So I'm getting back into freelancing. I just miss it. It's just what I want to do. So I figured I'd show you what my current kit is as I'm packing for it, because tomorrow I have a bride trial. This is from Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Right now I just stuffed everything in so I could bring it over here, and then I'll show you it actually packed. But it's almost like a little backpack. There is this big section here. There's a little pocket here with Velcro. There's a pocket here, little mesh one, and a little mesh one here. It's like 3 or 4 inches deep, but it curves over almost like a lunchbox. Then there's this big zipper compartment, and this bottom flap has like spots for brushes if you want to put them there. It came with this one here. It came with this one big boy, which is very helpful. And then I just bought a bunch of little clear bags for the rest of my stuff. So that's what that looks like, empty. And then on the side, we have zipper pouches. Nothing crazy about that. So we have zipper pouches on that side, and then on this side, I could put a business card here, and then there's one really big pouch, which I really like, because I could put like any paperwork I might have in here. Not that I would have paperwork, but I could put like my portfolio or something. This is insulated, this one. So like if I was doing lash glue, if I was doing lashes or something, I could keep it in here and keep it temperature safe, the glue. Yeah, there's a bunch of little pouches. It's super handy. And here's the back, little backpack. And it also has this, so you could slide it on top of luggage. So I'm just gonna put that down, and then I'm gonna go through all of the pouches I have and start loading it up. So tomorrow it's a trial with a fair lady. So I'm just opening this big boy up. Just want to tell you what's inside. So I have, it was like my own makeshift Fix Plus. So I'm going to take that out and replace it with this because I did buy it, I might as well. I have a little bit of brush cleaner in here. This is the Cinema Secrets one inside of a Sephora bottle because I had an empty one. And that Cinema Secret is gigantic. But I also have the Cosmetics brush bath in case I run out of that one. Then I have this little bottle with alcohol in it. You want to do at least 70% alcohol. So I just have to refill this. She explained what kind of look she wanted. I totally forgot I put this in here, but I was looking for it before. It's the Stila Vintage Black Gold Metal Eyes. This would look really pretty on what I have now, but she sent me a bunch of pictures of what she wants, so I just wanted to bring a couple of things just in case. So I have this in case she changes her mind and wants to do something a little darker. And then I also have this glitter crystal cave from Anastasia. Probably won't use that, but I like to have it just in case. And then I have a few of the palettes I'm taking. Tell you all the palettes I want to bring with me. Okay, so the main ones that I think will suit the look she's going for are Millennial Pink from Mellow Cosmetics. She has green eyes and wants to bring out the color of her eyes, so tones like this really help, or like purpley tones. So that's why I'm bringing that one. And I also have the Huda Nude palette. She does like dramatic makeup. She doesn't want to look cakey, but she does like dramatic eyes. I'm bringing this Tarte one. It's just a good necessary palette to have. I might, because I'm bringing this, I don't know that I need to bring this Kat Von D one. You know, like I have those tones in here. But I might as well be safe, right? Then I have the ColourPop Good as Gold. Again, mainly bringing this in case she changes her mind dramatically. Just so I have options. And then I have this Tarte. It was the Mermaid Make Believe in Yourself palette or something like that. And I'm bringing this because it has a ton of shimmer options in case the ones in those palettes are not what I want to go for. But I'm also going to be bringing this Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Kitten because I know this will definitely work. So I'm just throwing all of those palettes in the big guy. For now, I might end up transferring them. Actually, you know what? So I had them in that big thing, but now I'm thinking I want them somewhere else. So since we have this giant part up top, I think I'm just gonna throw them in there and then I can put my brush belt in front, you know? So I'll change the camera angle once it's like packed so you could actually see inside. But I'll keep all the palettes in there. And then this I think will be like my skincare and brush items. My Tatcha spray, my Kat Von D spray, some primers, some lip balm, and I just need to put my moisturizer in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that to the side till I figure out what I want to do with the rest of my stuff. Okay, so here's one of the clear bags. This is from Amazon. Came in a pack of 5. So in here I have all of my eyeliners, all of my sharpeners. I have some face primers that I'm actually going to move. The mascara, I have the lash glue. Pretty much all the eye stuff is in there. If that makes sense. So I'm going to put another lash glue in just in case I need it. And I'm also going to put that Stila Glitter and Glow in there. And then I'm going to put a pair of eyelashes. I do have more, but those are the ones I'm probably going to go with. Okay. Put that to the side. Now I have this one. Again, everything was just kind of thrown in here temporarily. But I'm going to take all the powders out of it. And this is just going to be my kind of cream face product thing. So I have 2 Milani foundations. I have one in the shade Porcelain, and then one in the shade Nude. Fairly similar. One is just more olive. Then I have my Milani Concealer and Perfect in the shade Nude Ivory. Those are going in there. The LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Pink. The e.l.f. 16-Hour Camel Concealer in the shade Peach Light, or Light Peach. I have the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach Corrector in case her under eyes are a little darker. And I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Medium Olive, just if I have to mix and make things a little darker. And the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Bronze Beige, which is again a little deeper just in case. And then we have the Oyster Liquid Glow from Anastasia. I think this is beautiful under foundation. Okay, so those are my liquid face products. Now we have all of these lips. I have every lip liner I would ever need in here, like even a green one. But most of the lip colors are like the typical bridal shades. Like Nude, I do have a red in there just in case. But yeah. Lips are kind of easy for me, like not a big topic. Then we've got this empty one we're gonna put in the powders. So first I have the ColourPop No Filter Powder in the shade Fair. This is a very, very light powder. I don't want to put something heavy on someone that's dry, so this is in case she's more dry than she said she was. And then I have the Mood Exposure Blush from Hourglass. This is the best color for fair skin in my opinion, and it gives a beautiful glow. Then I have the Fenty Bronzer in the shade In the Sun, another key product for fair skin. Then I have the Coty Airspun powder. This is for the more oily girls. She didn't say she was oily, but just in case. And then the Morphe Brightening Pink I'm bringing in case her under eyes are very dark and we need something extra. And I'm also bringing the Revolution Mega Bronzer. So. Oh, and I have this highlight from Wet n Wild I might use if I don't use the Ofra one. Okay, so now I just want to go over some things. Oh, I totally almost forgot this. This is the Fawn Contour Stick. Necessary. Okay, and now I'm just going over some products that I'm bringing just in case, but I might not need. This is a palette of Makeup Geek and a couple of Jeffree Star. So this is a Makeup Geek blush. It's their new pan, which is way bigger than the old ones. But I love these blushes so much, the more peachy ones. These two are probably going to be more up her alley just for the look she wants to go for. And then I have a nice bright white shadow, almost white, and a nice black from Makeup Geek. These are necessary no matter what palette you have, in my opinion. So, bringing that. This is just a Makeup Geek C palette. Okay, so I have one more clear guy, and in this is where I'm going to put my disposable wands and all of that jazz. So I just need to leave this out and remember to put those in. I'm just going to zip everything up and show you where I'm going to put it. Okay, so I'm probably not going to be using the zippers at this point in time. Maybe in the future, but so I have all the palettes in here. And this bottom part is empty. So here is my little skin prep little thing, and I'm just gonna put this in first. It's the biggest one, it's the one that came with it. So we have all of the lip stuff, so I'm putting all of these in long ways. All of the powders will go right on top of that, or over here, I guess. We have all of the foundations and cream products, and then all of the eye products. So everything fits really nicely in there. Just zip it up. Now in here, we're also going to put all of our disposables, which I didn't put in yet, but just so you can see where they're going to go. I'm going to put the alcohol and stuff in here too. And then I have my brush belt. I'm not going to put it in yet because I have to clean everything. But that should fit nicely like that, and then this folds right on top. So it is a very small kit, but you don't need a giant Zuka case unless you're doing a million people. This is just a trial, and if she does want me to do her bridesmaids and stuff, I may need maybe another clear bag in here of different foundation shades, but aside from that, you don't need a ton of extra stuff. So yeah, I'm excited and very happy with this purchase. I feel like it's just big enough for what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an amazing day.